Welcome back, guys, from my kitchen today. I'll be prepping some Jamaican style Rasta pasta and some oven baked Cajun salmon. This is lit. Please remember to give your girl a like, it is free. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to Shell's Time. It's another cooking vlog and I'll be doing some Jamaican style Rasta pasta. All my ingredients are listed: jerk sauce, cheese, parmesan, mozzarella that I use. I also use a little cream cheese. You will also need a little salt, a little pepper, and a little all-purpose, and a little butter. I use a little olive oil, also my bell pepper, my onions, my heavy whipping cream, and some green onion or escallion. These are all the ingredients I use. You can also use coconut milk if you want to go the natural way or the vegan way, and then you would have to use vegan cheese. Some of this you would have to exempt out of it. Let's get cooking. So I added my pasta to boil in a little Himalayan salt and some all-purpose seasoning. And I boiled for 5 minutes on high. Then I added a little olive oil to my pan. Then I added some onions, garlic, and bell pepper. And I did this on high heat. Once these were sauteed, then I added in my heavy whipping cream. And remember, if you're vegan, you can opt for the natural, which is coconut milk. My other video that I did, I used coconut milk. It's also on my YouTube channel in my playlist in pastas. I added in some cream cheese in this, and feel free to add as much as you liked. I used half of the packet that I bought. And this is also optional. I used a little garlic powder, little smoked paprika, and a little all-purpose Maggi bouillon to add flavor. I did not use any additional salt. You mix this in or stir this in, and then I added me 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce, and I'll be adding more to this, hence why it's called Rasta pasta. It has that little kick to it, so if you're American, you can try this out too. It tastes really, really good. Then I started to add in my white cheese. Because I'm looking for a more creamy white sauce, I only choose to use white cheese and not cheddar, only white cheese, which you can find in provolone, mozzarella, parmesan, whatever you choose. This is what I chose to use. And yes, I added some parsley flakes in it, and I did add in some chili flakes in it because that's my business and I love spicy. Look at the sauce, thick, looking good. And I will be serving this with some oven style Cajun salmon that I did. My pasta is cooked and I added in my pasta after draining most of the water off. You can leave a little of the water to add to help with the pasta sauce if you choose to. If not, then you can just do this without adding any additional juice to it. Or if you had chicken chicken broth, you can also add this to give it flavor. Creamy, cheesy. This tasted really, really good. Every time I do this, I know my family enjoys this. Even though they don't like cheese or pasta, with the exception of my son that loves American style food, pasta. There you go. My pasta is almost finished, and I added me some Parmesan on this. And you too should try this. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't be mean with your likes. It's always free to give the video a like. Please, I'll give you a second to like my video. Thank you. You can also add protein to this, such as chicken or whatever meat you choose. You can also add this to your Rasta pasta. I did one and I served with some oxtails, which I did in a prior video, maybe a year ago, or it could be less than a year. It's creamy, it's cheesy, it has a little kick of jerk in it, which helps to enhance the flavor and the taste too. Look at this. You can eat this all by itself also. Parsley is also optional, but it does help to blend in with the color. And of course, your girl turned the stove off and I added an additional bit of cheese on it. This is what the outcome of Jamaican style / American style / Rasta pasta looks like. Tasted really, really good. And your girl is about now to dish a little to show you. It's creamy, it's cheesy. Once you add it to your oven, it warms up and it does have a zing to it, a really nice flavor and taste. I also did some veggies on the side, which is some green beans, carrots, corns. I did some green snap sugar peas too. Quick and easy Sunday dinner, not the regular Sunday dinner that we're used to. Look at your girl Cajun salmon done in the oven. Tell me I'm the bomb. I felt like working today and I served this up and I didn't want the salmon with any liquid on it. Yes, I did some Cajun over style salmon. I haven't eaten salmon in a while. Quick and easy Sunday dinner. It doesn't have to be rice. It doesn't have to be heavy meat. It can be a quick and easy Sunday dinner. Better than even Olive Garden. Listen, come for me. Your girl felt like working today. My salmon is crispy. It tasted really, really good too. And I'll show you with a fork what the inside looks like. Tell me I'm the bomb. I'm the boss. On to the next. Thank you.